Hello everyone. I hope you are enjoying Vlogmas so far. I'm having fun and just getting ready for this holiday season. I have done so many DIYs that your girl, I'm tired. So today I am going to bring you a tour of my neighbor's beautiful trees. She managed to get 5 trees in her apartment. Let's go ahead and check it out.
Bundled up in carriage rides, a newfound love cuddled up by my side. Christmas lights everywhere you look. This town turns into something out of a storybook. It's that time we wait for all year, and it's finally here. So let the sleigh bells ring. Go ahead, light up your Christmas tree, and let all the angels sing. Oh, what a joy this season brings. And Santa's been working hard all year, and he's finally here, yeah. The cookies baking while Mama's making the same prime rib she makes every Christmas Eve. The snowball fights in the backyard, family laughing, playing cards. There's nowhere else in the world that I'd rather be. It's that time we
Thank you guys so much for watching another video. I hope you enjoyed that. If you are not a subscriber, go right ahead and hit that subscribe button. I would appreciate it. And for each and every subscriber that I already have, thank you, thank you, thank you. You know, my channel would not be anything without you guys. Thank you so much, guys. Be blessed.